The creative and digital media course at Boomsatsuma is unique, mainly because all the tutors here at Boomsatsuma are creative professionals themselves. In your first year here at Boomsatsuma, you actually cover topics such as photography, videography, graphic design and animation. In your second year here at Boomsatsuma, you really refine your skill set that you've already learnt in your first year, making you industry ready for when you leave Boomsatsuma. You'll work on real-world projects with live clients. You'll develop your skills and expertise in project management and events. This course is designed to spark creativity and get you embedded into Bristol's creative scene. What we actually do is help you and navigate you along the way to become a real amazing creative professional when you leave here Boomsatsuma.